All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive with us.
Yeah.
Today, we are going to do a deep dive on the world of meme coins and the influence of Elon Musk.
Sounds chaotic already. I'm ready.
It definitely can be meme coins, of course,
Yeah.
those cryptos inspired by, memes
Yes.
from the internet.
Right.
And we're specifically going to be looking at an analysis of PPE coin.
Okay.
And really the question is, can a single move by Elon Musk really make or break
Oh,
a
interesting.
cryptocurrency?
Yeah, that's a really good question. And it's really interesting to see it in the context of PPE coin because just this Tuesday, we saw a 12% price surge right when he changed his X profile.
What did he change it to?
He changed it to Kikius Maximus and he put the Pepe the Frog meme.
So for those who might not know, can you give
Yeah.
us a little background on this Pepe the Frog meme and why that would cause such a reaction in the PP coin community?
Yeah, sure. So Pepe the Frog has been around for a while now. It's often a symbol of just internet humor, and in some corners of the internet, it can even have some edgy connotations. So for those invested in PP coins, seeing Musk use it, even if it's unintentional, could be interpreted as like a nod of approval.
Right. And yet, even with all that, the price surge didn't last. PPE dropped 4% in the following 24 hours.
Yeah.
So what are some of the factors that contributed to that sudden reversal?
Well, the initial hype around Musk's profile change died down, and we also saw a pretty big increase in selling pressure.
Okay.
The trading volume actually went up by 31%.
Wow.
Which means there's just more investors selling their PPE, so the demand decreased significantly. The analysis actually shows that there was like $45 million in spot entries on Tuesday and then only $6.34 million in exits the next day. So people are definitely cashing out.
Yeah, they're taking their profits and running.
Yeah, exactly.
So speaking of trying to understand these market swings, the analysis mentions this super trend indicator.
Right.
Can you break that down for us? How does that tool help us make sense of what happened with PPE coin?
Yeah, so the super trend indicator helps traders identify trends in price movements. It basically analyzes recent trading activity, and it can indicate whether the price is likely to rise or fall. So for PPE, this indicator currently suggests a downtrend, meaning it could potentially fall to 0.000000000C if this trend continues.
That is a significant drop.
It is.
But what about the flip side? What would it take for PPE to bounce back? Could it reach its previous highs?
Oh yeah, it's possible if PPE can break through the resistance level of 0.000000024, it could climb back up to its all-time high of 0.000000008.
So it seems like PPE is at a crossroads right now and really heavily influenced by the actions of Elon Musk.
Yeah, it really showcases the volatility of these meme coins and the impact that figures like Elon Musk can have on these markets.
Right.
So I think it raises an important question: does one single person have too much sway in a decentralized system like cryptocurrency?
That's definitely something to think about.
Yeah.
As we see the impact of social media on the financial landscape grow every day.
Absolutely.
It begs the question, is this a trend that empowers investors with information or makes them more susceptible to manipulation?
That's the big question.
Yeah. Let us know what you guys think. Leave us a comment and tell us your thoughts.
Definitely.
And until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of cryptocurrency.
Yeah, see you next time.